you to a place where happiness lives, a place of wisdom and joy.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. I know, they know. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today we are going to teach you class 8 of basic exercises.
No matter how far the journey will be.
The first beat is bass, bass, clap, hey. The second beat for the other person is bass, bass, slap, woza. Then we're going to play each beat twice. After the third beat, we're going to play together, which is tone, bass, woza, 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 woza. It's going to be 5 woza. Now let's play twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. You get it? Now let's play it all together twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. Hey, woza. Hey, woza. Woza, 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 woza. Woza, 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 woza. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos, and please share with your friends and families. Goodbye.
We welcome you